Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to do the microphone sound test of the Sony WF-C500. So we're going to test it in different scenarios and then see how good the microphone sound quality is and then talk more about it. So let's go ahead and start with the test. Okay, so this is the best sound that you can get when you're riding the bike. Without a helmet, don't do that, it's illegal. In this scenario, a lot of it directly with the earphone. Hopefully my sound is not doing up and the background sound is not too loud. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you're going to get when you're riding the bike with the helmet on and the visor open. So this is open face helmet scenario. Hopefully you can hear me well and the background sound is not overpowering. Wind should not be an issue because the mic is right here inside. So it's inside. Hopefully you can hear me well. So this is the kind of sound that you're going to get when you're riding the bike with the helmet on and the visor closed. So this is a closed-faced helmet scenario. Hopefully my sound is audible enough and you don't get a lot of echo. So generally in closed-faced helmets, you get a lot of echo which is created because this is closed. So hopefully that's not too overpowering. Okay, so we are testing the Sony earbuds outside the TV mall next to 70 water fountain. So a lot of water sound here. Hopefully my sound is audible now and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so we're doing the traffic sound test now of the Sony earbud. Now we are outside TV mall or TV mall. There's a lot of traffic. Hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so we're doing the sound test in the morning. So we are hearing the people. So a lot of people around me, a lot of people children. So hopefully my sound is audible. Okay, so you guys seen the video. Now, the entire sound that you heard in this video was from the mic over here, from the earbud itself. Now, one thing I noticed was no matter what scenario I used it in, the sound was not that good. The background sound was a lot, it was overpowering. And the main problem I found was that the mic volume itself is very low. So your volume is very low. And then on top of it, when the background sound is overpowering, then you can't really understand what the other person is saying. So for phone calls, I won't really recommend this. The only good thing was in the closed helmet scenario, I was clear. So that's something which was surprising to me. So if you're using it in a helmet, in a closed helmet, then the sound is good. Other than that, all the other scenarios were not good. So I'll not recommend this for phone calls. Now this has been my experience with the cheaper Sony earbud that the mic quality is not that great. So, so this is no exception. The mic is not that great. If you're looking for good sound quality, if you're looking for like equalizers, you're looking for 10 hours of battery life, then this is good. You can install the software, you can use it on Android and on iOS, it works on both, 10 hours of battery life. So all that is really good. If you want to use it inside the house for taking calls, then the mic will be okay, so it's good for that. Other than that, I'll not really recommend this for any other purpose. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with a like button and leave a comment. And if you want to see the same video in Hindi or Malayalam, I have two other channels. I'll be putting the link for that in the description. Bye bye.